Hello Android devs, in this video I'm going to get our first program that prints hello world in Kotlin Compose. As you can see, it's already hello world. So this is a program I'm working on already. So let me open a new project. If I open a new project, after opening a new project, you can choose this empty activity for Compose, that is Compose logo. But if you are not using Compose, you can choose other activities depending on your language you're using. If you're using XML, you can choose just empty activity without the Compose logo. But I'm teaching Compose, so you click on this empty activity with Compose, then you click on next. Then you write your name of your application. So the name of my application will be Hello World. So this is the destination of your file, your folder, and then this is the Android API, Android 24. So you just leave it like this without choosing anything. It's okay like this with the setup. This section also is okay, then you just click on finish. So you allowed Android Studio to generate, download and import dependencies. As you can see here, it is fetching files. So you just wait for it for a moment to finish downloading and importing so that you will get your complete project to work on. If you don't allow it to download completely, you are going to get error in the process of writing your code. These dependencies that is download is very important for your project. So take your time and allow it to download. I'm going to fast forward this section so that we will not waste our time. Let me just speed it up. It is done downloading and importing. So now you can write your code without getting any error that comes from Android Studio, because it has downloaded all your dependencies. The only error you get maybe is from writing your code or others. But for the purpose of this video, this code now has no error. You can see it's ticked up green on top, and this is your code that you get when you are starting on Compose. So some of the codes have been written for you, so especially with this composable. So you just come here, click on this code and view section, and this is the preview line of code that will help you preview your code when you are writing. That is one thing with Compose and Android Studio. So just click on build and refresh, and it's going to show you how your app looks without writing a line of code. Your Hello Android is available on Compose without a single line of code. So we are going to change it from Hello Android to Hello World. So just wait for it to load. So let me just speed the process as well. So it is done. As you can see, Hello Android. So this is your first app on Android that will appear after setting up your Android Studio and Compose without writing a single line of code. So you can start developing your code from here, change the Hello Android to Hello World or to other functionality you may like, using your greeting function. So you get all these lines of code when opening a new program, always with Compose. So no need for you to write. I'll come down to my preview here and change it from Android to World. As you are typing your code, it is loading to refresh so that it will get compact with the changes you make. So as you can see, it has changed to Hello World now. So the name is a variable that you just change from your greeting composable, and then you call it for your preview. So as you can see, I call it from my preview to Hello World from Android, and it's changed. Let me change it back to Android again. As you can see, it's loading again. It will change from Hello World to Hello Android. So this is just how to write your first program with Kotlin Compose without writing a single line of code. Just update your data. Thank you. So I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to my channel if you are joining me for the first time. See you on my next video. Cheers.